Hey guys, I'm in the wind. Janet with our Strange RV Tours, and we're in Holiday, Florida, and we're at Holiday Travel Park, which is an Encore property, you know, part of 1,000 Trails. But it's been great out here. Not normally this windy, but I'll show you around. Coming right into the gate. To my left here is the Publix grocery store, which is walking distance, which is wonderful. And lots of, you know, full-time residents. But there's over 600 sites here. A lot of them taken up by full-timers. But everybody's been pretty cool. The residents here, they don't mind us at all, but coming through here, you know, stopping in and out. And come right into the office. There is all kinds of activities here. All kinds. Bingo, pinochle, shuffleboard. There's the guest in area. I'll take you in if I can find a parking spot. No parking spot. We'll go around. But there's a pond here. The propane, they do not do at this point. They have some problem with licensing or something, and they said right now they cannot sell propane for some reason. I don't know if it's their equipment or licensing. They said they just couldn't. They used to. Okay, and this is headed down where we're at. I want to find a parking spot so I can show you the pool and the clubhouse and all that. See, they've got all these awnings, you know, and people keep up with their stuff really good. Yeah, we got golf carts everywhere. People ride bikes. Here we go. The bathrooms are nice. Laundry's nice. Spread out different areas. Yeah, they've got laundry in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places here. Laundry, bathrooms, and showers are together. Just one big pool. Okay, I actually came to the pool. They don't have a hot tub, but this is 8 foot on this end. Isn't it awesome? It's nice. And every day I've seen people around here. We haven't gotten in, but let me feel the water. See, that's nice. That's like a lukewarm. So you really don't need a hot tub if it's that warm. Oh man, I tell Gray to get in here tonight. It'd be awesome. But here's the clubhouse, and I'll run in there, go around to the front, show you everything. I mean, this place stays busy. First time I haven't seen anybody in the pool, actually. They got laundry right here. Here, I'll just keep running around, yeah. Yeah. This is exactly like the one by our facility. And see, with the cards, you don't have to get the quarters. And bank account shows $1.50, $1.50. So it's $1.50, $1.50 wash and dry. And all the bathrooms have codes. See, everybody busy playing. See, they have all kinds of tournaments all the time. I see people out here all the time. It's awesome. And I guess they're working on the library right now. It's kind of closed up. They're doing the floors, but you can see. Pretty cool. They're busy working on the flooring and redoing that. It's going to be nice. I mean, it is nice, but you know, it's maintenance, keeping things upgraded. The pool tables here. I've seen people playing pool all hours, actually. So, go into the office. Let me see. And there's a whole mailbox system down here at the end. Yeah, it's awesome too. So, but the drop box is in the building here. I learned that the first day. We had to mail out some things. Packages, mail. That's the check-in office. Flyers, stuff to do. There is a lot of stuff around here. There is. We went to Spongerama, all that. People are always doing something. Playing pool. They have breakfast here every other Saturday. Pancake breakfast. And see, here's some nice, make some coffee, pie, turtles. See? There's always something going on in here. I have to film with people in here regardless. It's busy all the time. People. Nice stage back there. You got Wi-Fi here in the clubhouse, but you have to sign up for service if you're out of the clubhouse. So, awesome. Yeah. So, there you go. Go. Let me go ahead and walk by the pond. Because I walk around the pond at night with the dog, and it's lovely. And I was told by the neighbors that they used to have so many ducks that they had to capture some and take them away because it's overwhelming. And now I walk through here. The dumpster. Let's see. There's a propane. I guess, yeah, we probably need some work here. But there's their other propane tank. But you can even drop your furniture in the big dumpster. They said, no furniture, just bring it to the front. And they'll take care of it. We got a fisherman. That's pretty cool. Here, I'll walk over here. Let's see. And her neighbor's saying there's one mama that had 12 ducklings. She would not bring them to the pond because the turtles would eat them. Turtles or whatever, I guess. But, see. Here we go. Hey, those are nice. Made out of like granite. They'll last forever. Yeah. Pretty cool. Here's horseshoes. Yeah. Couple. Yeah, we had some rain yesterday, so we got puddles here. Wow. Yeah. Pretty cool. I don't know about being so close to the building. My aim is so bad to be on top of that. I could see my, oh my gosh. It'd be on top of there, over there. I'd be going right through the other windows. No, I can't throw. But it's like bowling now. I can't hold it. I can't hold the bowling ball, and I cannot hold the horseshoe. I've learned that already. And here we are, going all the way around the building. But okay, I'll go back in the car, turn around. Alright, let's see. And that's our place. Okay, awesome. Okay, we're right by the dumpsters. I don't care. So they don't stink. It's fine. They keep up with everything here pretty good. I mean, look, they even paint them. Okay, so that's awesome. That's the he, that's the hers. Just like the other place. Code. And then go on to laundry. It's over here. Laundry's right there. Same laundry. Identical. Awesome. Right? Oh my gosh. It's going to be snake heaven right there. Right there. Well, yeah, snakes, alligators. I wonder, I didn't see anything like this on the resort map. See what I mean? Wildlife everywhere. See, in Vegas, you don't get that. It's gorgeous. Looks like there's a cross over there. If we had another camera, we could zoom in, but that's as far as I can go. That's it. That's as far. That's it. We're learning. We're going to have to find some other equipment so I can zoom in on stuff. Fish jumped. There's another one. Oh my gosh. Anyway, it's windy out here. What the hell? That's a live plant. What is that? Oh my gosh. That is so cool. That's... Oh my gosh. What is it? Another one. Hey. Let's see. That was awesome. All the stuff that grows in Florida. There's no way in Vegas. Now, I've seen leaves like this. I don't want to touch them because I don't want to contaminate or whatever. But, oh my gosh. But what is, okay, never mind. You guys, let us know. Oh my gosh. What is it? See? Oh my gosh. Yeah. See the banana leaves and that kind of thing. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright guys. Janet here with an RV resort review. And actually this is really nice. Kind of windy still. But thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you would. And then do the little bell for notifications. And if you want to do Patreon, that'd be awesome.